Today, we're digging into how exactly content marketing makes money for your business. I am Rachel Lindhagen, your host, and today we are going to have a blast talking about one of my absolute favorite subjects, content, and how we turn that content into revenue for your business. So let's jump right in. Let's start with what exactly is content marketing and why we do it. So content marketing is content that you create for your business that is designed to serve your ideal customer, to provide them value, to help them. And in all honesty, it is helping them move through the sales funnel from the point of awareness where they first learn about who you are. And if you're pairing your content marketing with your search engine optimization, which you should be, because that's how you get traffic to your content, that awareness is that very first stage where they're coming into your world. They've done a Google search. They've looked at a keyword. They've found your website and they've come to visit your website or blog to learn more about how you can help them with their problem. That's awareness. Then they move further in the sales funnel. They get into intent. They have a little more idea what's going on. They get into consideration. They're really starting to think about what they're looking for. Then they get into decision. That's where they're ready to buy. They're ready to make a purchase. And then sometimes we see a due diligence phase, especially with large purchases. Things like, how much money is it going to cost me all in for a home mortgage? How does this process exactly work? So we're going to see the different stages, up to 5 stages of the sales funnel. You want to have content for all of those stages because your search engine optimization content, that's the very first step. That's going to help people bring brand new people into your world. You want to optimize all the content you create, but you're going to want to have content for those different stages of the sales funnel. So somebody who's just starting to research, somebody who's got a good idea what they're looking for, somebody who knows exactly what they're looking for, and somebody who's looking for verification that they've made the right decision. You want content at each stage of the sales funnel, and that's how we make money because we bring people into our world. We help them. We provide value. We become a resource. They keep coming back again and again, or they share our content with someone else. And that, my friend, is how we start to make money from our content because people don't necessarily want to have to pick up the phone and call you to ask a question. They want to be able to find the answers through your content. So they want to be nurtured. They want you to answer their questions. They want you to anticipate what they need to know to help them move forward in the process, move further down the sales funnel, and come closer to that point of completion, which is the conversion, the buying behavior. So your goal with your content, above all, is to be valuable, to be helpful, and to nurture so that that visitor who comes and finds you for the very first time wants to come back again and again and ultimately wants to work with you and becomes a raving fan. That's going to be the most important for you. So how are we going to make money through content marketing? We're going to make money through content marketing by being very consistent and very strategic. Now, I teach exactly how to do this in the Simple SEO Content class. So if you're ready to dig in with me, then you want to find out about that class and DM me on Insta and I'll give you the information about it. I'd love to have you join me at Etched Marketing Academy on Insta. In the interim, what you're going to do is create content once a week, one piece, and it can be your blog post, your audio, your podcast like this. It can be a video episode, whatever it is, your social content counts too. You're going to create content that provides value to your ideal customer, that helps them and answers their questions. Then you're going to make sure that you're choosing keywords that your website or blog can rank for so that you get traffic to that content. Now, it's going to be a little different with your social media content. You're going to want to do some research on how we use SEO for social media, but your content that you're creating, your blog, your podcast, or your video, that should be the core base of your content for the week, and you build your social media content off of that, and then you use your keywords as your hashtags and your things like that in your social media, okay? So you're going to create your weekly content. You're going to then optimize that content using a keyword. You're going to look for that keyword to ensure that your website can rank for it and your ideal customer is using it, you want to make sure that you use that keyword in your title, in your copy, in your title tag and meta description, in your image file name, all the places that Google's going to look to understand what that page is about. And we've talked about that a lot here on the podcast. If you don't yet have a copy of the SEO Content Quick Start Guide, do yourself a favor. Go ahead and request that. You can get it from the link in the notes, or just go to the website, etchedmarketing.com/freebies. And right there, you'll find the SEO Content Quick Start Guide and the free SEO class, or a registration for the free 5-day SEO training class. Make sure you get signed up for the SEO Content Quick Start Guide and the free class. That's going to be the best way to start learning all of this so that you can start making money with the content that you're creating. So you're going to create your content once a week. You're going to make sure you're tying that content to your products and services. You don't want to create content that has no path for your customer. You want to make sure there's a path for conversion. So that content needs to all tie to your core products, services, promotions, anything like that, so that there's a natural, normal path for them to go through. And then if you are ready to learn more, like I said, grab the SEO Content Quick Start Guide, register for one of my free classes, and join me in class so that you can learn even more. And then when you're ready, join me in Simple SEO Content, where you take all of these concepts and I break them down, and then you start working on them and implementing them in your business. And that's where you work to actually create your content calendar, to come up with your list of topics, to optimize your website, to start building your blog posts or your YouTube videos, whatever your weekly content is, and creating it in a way that it's going to get more traffic to it. So content marketing makes your business money because your content is designed to nurture your ideal customer and help them get to the point of conversion. The best way to do this is to pair your content marketing with your search engine optimization, which means you're getting more traffic to the content you're creating. SEO is your know. It's driving targeted, relevant traffic to your content that you're creating. Your content is the like and trust. It's nurturing your new visitor and hopefully turning them into a buyer. You want to use both together. And if you're ready to learn how, get started, get the SEO Content Quick Start Guide and sign up for the free class. Or if you're ready, just jump right into Simple SEO Content and say hi. I can't wait to see you in class. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram. I'd love to chat with you at Etched Marketing Academy. Have a great day. Thanks for being here.